Hello guys. I just wanted to tell you that we've had some bad and sad news. Um, this morning something has occurred to be its last. My blow dryer died. Unfortunately, it has deceased and gone asleep forever. We used it this morning and just went off, and that was its last time ever. Ever! It doesn't work. And I just figured it's something to tell you guys about because today was its birthday. Okay, I'm just kidding. It wasn't really its birthday day, but it's its death day. It's gone to sleep forever, and it just makes me want to cry. Well, I figured I should tell you that we had so many laughs together, and I knew this made me so happy. I just wanted to celebrate this death with you guys. I don't know if you're as sad as me, but
You know what? Backyard can get in there. Because I've got keys in this pocket and I can't. So what am I doing? Oh, taking all this stuff down, taking the back of the camera down.
goodbye.